Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you a secret code to test all the sensors in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you want to test all of your sensors, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone call app, and here just open the keypad or dialer and dial the code, which is star hash zeros star hash. Just enter that and you will get this type screen. Here you just have to select the sensor, and here you will get all the sensors to test. Here the accelerometer, proxy sensor, and light sensor, magnetic sensor, and the fingerprint sensor. You just have to check or select which one you want to test. And I'm going to test fingerprint, and here just select normal scan, and it will run the scanning. Here you will get all the info, so that's how you can easily test all the sensors. If you want to cut it out or go back, just double press the back icon to go back, just like that. So that's how you can easily test all the sensors in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.